Going to school. Going to school is always an exciting part of my day. After waking up, I quickly get dressed in my school uniform and pack my backpack with all the necessary books. I make sure to grab my lunchbox and any homework I need to hand in. After breakfast, I put on my shoes and grab my jacket. I leave the house and walk to the bus stop, where I see my friends waiting. We laugh and talk as we wait for the bus to arrive. Once on the bus, I sit by the window so I can watch the world go by. The bus ride is always fun, as I get to chat with my friends and see new things around our neighborhood. When we arrive at school, we all rush off the bus and head to our classrooms. As I walk into class, I feel excited because every day brings something new to learn. The teacher greets us, and we settle into our seats, ready to start the day's lessons. School is always a place to learn new things, meet new people, and play with friends during recess. After the school bell rings, we take the bus back home, and I look forward to the next day of school.